2024 Ram 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: side view mirrors with turn signals,
Wi-Fi hotspot,
satellite radio, navigation,
premium sound system,
multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, tinted windows, power driver seat. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.